I still say I bless you know. I say when you go through in a life, pagans and people try all sort of things to stop you. But Likkle Shabba, remember this. We give thanks and me wake up this morning and me survive through another day. Yo. So if I evil in the evening, we have to make time for prayer. Give thanks to your protection. Him guide we in every way. So if I evil tonight when you go your bed, you have to make time for prayer. A prayer day keeps the devil away. Look a prayer now. Likkle Shabba. If Notorious ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If Likkle Shabba get lost, please find me and stand beside me.
Big song.
Marie praise Rastafari Almighty. If we ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If Likkle Shabba get lost, please find me and stand beside me.
Mr. Likkle Shabba, the baddest thing I'm done.
Likkle Shabba so blessed, Notorious won't stress. I know Jah loves me, I won't guess. Pagans may talk, but Jah knows best. They're trying to stop me, but I won't let them. Be a threat to I, now even get to I, now step to I. Rastafari, protect the eye, and King Emmanuel bless the eye. With more words of truth as Marcus Garvey a prophesy. A Queen Amigo on the right hand, I will
representing for Notorious International.
Praise Rastafari, you let the world know bonfire like an inferno. Crakaz
Crakaz there.
Giving thanks for all my blessings. I have seen the King's works manifesting. Selassie I works are impressing. If Notorious ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me.
I wish the holy Emmanuel like King Selassie, because you know he that dwelt in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. You know, so God will say, right? Right about now, my peeps, so I'm going to start it different that week. As I told you from last week, say, we have one selector where my thing different. Crakaz in the building, my bigger brother. See, you know what, they get the bigger than that. You know, a real friend in a real life, right?
Crakaz there.
So tell you what, I'm going to start my week that way, you know.
Big sound. Big sound.
You know, I'm different from the rest of them, you know, because we're a big friend.
Gosh.
So we are start the week here.
Notorious. All you folks like you own my life. You never made any sacrifice.
Only if you want to start the week.
Demons there on my trail.
Yes, sir.
Standing at the crossroads of a hill.
You know, Likkle Shabba, I'm one general, right?
I look to the left, I look to the right.
Right.
Hands that grab me on every side.
Well on! What the man do? I have a real woman and nobody can stop it.
And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with the Rasta man.
Judgment in the night, you know. What them gonna do?
And burning.
No pull up here, no pull up here.
What she was holding.
Yo!
And she didn't know how to tell him
Right up!
she was in.
Answer fire burden. Notorious get the fire burden. And Notorious boss Peter. It's so insane.
She was in love with the Rasta man.
Yeah!
Fire was
Only famous from the start player Ethan juggling my turn out.
Mr. Likkle Shabba, the baddest thing I'm
When
done.
me jumping on the real Ethan juggling in here no good.
She didn't know how
Big sound. Big sound.
tell him
Big up twins are there, twin the big up.
with the Rasta man.
One finger, one.
Fire was burning.
What house, yo, Moscow. Yo, here with the corner show, that back there.
Know a story say that
Well on.
these ones are
Well on.
great.
I'm to play some music, I save you, know. Bad Gyal, you ready?
In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy.
Well on.
Police where you abuse them at
Yes, you want to see Likkle Shabba play? You know that brother, yeah? You just put it in the brother, them slow. Well on.
Some boy could have big like Bamba bigger.
I tell you.
Some chicken finger chicken and then chicken.
But you see Notorious son, guess what, Jada?
Cause
I've got to keep on
walking.
Well on! Well, you see that girl there?
Yeah.
All the girls up know you can't cook your man food. We have you not here. You have some girl of them cook in the morning belly start run. All the girls up know you not get a man a running belly. We have you not here.
She with shampoos and every morning she shampoos me.
What on?
Always have my back, she's thank you for that.
I tell you.
Any type of loving, thank you for that.
I tell you. I want to tell me for big up swag team. Now do that somebody,
I
yeah?
got catch no rush.
I'm me the original swag selector.
And any little thing and from a splish, just splash. All this
I want the custom them get a part of it and whistle get piece of that.
the rat. So we listen couple speech of
I may build this swag as the selector.
Molly and some super cats.
But that's when I run down there, I run with my matic.
Cash it down.
I have a ratchet.
The spot.
What? Hey, wheel out! Pull up! Pull up! You see that singer? Everybody be so knock it. It's a new style you want me to dance. Knock it! Knock it! You have to be careful in the knock it. Because the informer them move faster than the rocket. Hold on! Anywhere you lock it, make it stay locked. Don't put it in your pocket. The informer them faster than a rocket. You know why? Marie, drop it. You know why? Informer them get numb. Hey! What you want? Listen to that singer.
Check it. Things just ain't the same for gangsters. What's the done them, they in the handcuffs. What's the youth, never yacht on dancers. Policeman will shoot you and leave you unconscious. Garrison's been losing sponsors. Got most politicians flake out like dandruff. Now court indictment has spread like cancers. And even the baby are killing the monster.
Seaview, shotgun, Vietnam. Knock it. Faster than a rocket.
I done this, yo, hear me I say. That's when you're too hot, real shit. Pull that shit on my nigga. Big up the Chinese, konnichiwa. Shishini, thanks every time. I told you.
You miss. Yes, a Chinese. If you know what Chinese different from Japanese. It's a Japanese. Hold on.
Yo, konnichiwa. You see me? I told you.
And she's no more Japanese. She is Bad Gyal Marie.
Bad Gyal Marie.
Okay. All right.
Dog, you know play now.
Anyway, big up all Japanese, you know the place. Hey. All Japanese, you know the place. Big up to. Yes, sir.
Hey! Watch it, dude!
Walla.
What's really going on? Only Papi.
Why you see that singer?
Jamaica stand up. Yeah. To all rude boys in the capital.
What do we want to the Seaview? Chocolate Chehon.
Put me up in Kingston, put me on your head.
Voila.
I'll be up there hustling, getting to the paper. Come to my neighborhood, be on your best behavior. You don't want to test me, put the G in the gangster. Original manga, I can rearrange ya. Even you are running, I run into the danger. Are you on the black bench, acting like a stranger? Boy, I'm a
Bad Gyal Marie.
Count $500,000 in the backseat of the Phantom. Brought out all the killers just to send my niggas at them. Stacking up the paper like it's going.
Big up all that girls, some more on the search.
Money longer than the truck.
Hold on.
Heart full of anger, got a
Real rich, everything alright.
onion in the challenge.
One glass body, man. Michael cake soap.
For ducks, if you're real.
Jack's glass.
I block
Cross.
If you're real
Motherfucker.
Big 4-5 on my
vibe. Status on deck, boy, it's so be live.
Yeah.
Never leave in my competition.
What on?
Jaw cure, pushing Lamborghinis.
Well, I can't go on the golden side, go link one until I pick to them. I can't go over cassava piece. I can't go check one until I pick to them. All of you at my border, put up the hand over the ear. Rise your gun under the ear. Seaview.
See me, I was caught up in the fast lane. Never stop until the cash came. Really, Mr. McMahon. Bad girl for life.
Big up the Japanese. Cause you know the Japanese have got through one terrible earthquake. Enough people don't look upon it serious. You know why? Them wasn't there. So them don't feel like it's real. So you feel like we're going to Japan, can't go on to Jamaica. Anywhere else that could have happened. But Mama tell you this. You know why so much things are happening in the world? Some people forgot say God is there. Some people feel like the devil around the world. That's why so much disaster take the world. All I will believe in God, put up your lion paw so in the year right now. Everything we go on to Japan could have go on to Jamaica. Big up all Japanese fans, Sanya.
Life is life. Angle in the wind. So many of my friends them get ruined. Likkle Shabba play and ball. Some never listen.
Likkle Shabba,
Well, big up to all of the victims, no.
Cause life is life.
I tell you,
Angle in the wind.
you know me, I'm a Japanese family, right?
Wind, not to worry.
Look up Black and his daughter.
Some never listen. It's like a fly.
Dark in the plane.
Likkle Shabba.
Look up
Brenda
Black
just reached 14. So come the peer pressure. Now she start roll me. She been up women, the man in all the scheme. She a janitor, but she sees to it the block clean. But y'all want all of that was in vain. Cards around the table, Brenda had to play the game. She in the fast lane, making a fast gain. Now the sad story, she became. I don't want you for everyone who does enough. Candle in the wind, so many of my friends them get ruined. Mama play and ball, some never listen. The cycle of life take a spin. Cause life is life, is life, is life. Tell me where you hold me.
I would not play like that, man. Don't play anything. Any fuck will play.
I know woman, I love woman.
But they told me
Real warrior.
Hey, man, and the boy has the Notorious.
Everybody want me somebody who passed out of your life. Put up the hand on here. Turn on the lighter. All Japanese, big up.
Use the splits and rolling at 2 when Shabba screw you, make it love.
What the lighter on me? Cock up the lighter on Seaview, again.
When the preacher pray over your body that day, it hurts in team.
Oh, the party, go. Sorry, don't lose a face.
Crakaz now him live.
There's a bush upon the one. You're scared of Crakaz, brother. Puss up.
Shout it out to him, I got.
When do you pass up? Well on. You see that week here? My plan for you that week are different, you know, because I want to big up the whole of the Japanese, because I hear what I know, you see me? You know, I love Japanese people to my heart, you know, because as I tell you, I'm a Japanese family. But regardless, and above that, regardless, it no matter the skin color, the whole of we are one. Because if you cut none of them, you see blood run out of them and blood run out of we, same way. And hear what we know, you know them analyze Jamaica and them respect and them love reggae music. So we have to show them back the love and the glory. See? But as I tell you a while ago, enough people forgot God and forgot say God is real, rude boy. If I even sometime in the week, you have to remember say there is a God, you know. Don't move like the devil around the world, you know. Don't get misleading the Jamaica people. You hear me a warn, you know. When you know say Jamaica country blessed, you know. Remember say earthquake come here, enough people don't know that, you know. Gilbert and hurricane come here, we still there and live, you know. You know what I mean? When you know say the country are blessed. All who proud of Jamaica, put up your lion paw in the ear. Big up all of the Japanese them. All who proud of Japan. What the Japanese them, they put up your signal in the ear. All who love and respect the Japanese them, put up 5 fingers in the ear. Every man and woman will respect Japanese people. Put up 5 fingers in the right now. Every man and woman, it no matter blood clot what, them could have black or brown or purple or yellow or gold. Blood run through the whole away. You should have put up more, you should have put up and cut a piece of your nose and throw it up there. Here.
Dog in a plane, dog in a plane,
No,
dog in a
I'm
plane.
going to part of serious.
Notorious.
Think about the generations and the
Only so me I start around here. Tribute to Japan.
Big sound, big sound.
so that
Big sound.
they know it's a better world.
Starlight Thursday, kick off, you know.
They can make it a better
Yeah, big up West Kingston, Pana Sangatino, the 200 hard were dead one day under the crisis. Develop the people, big up!
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love.
Voila!
This place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry.
Condolences to the victim of Japan on the incident.
There's sorrow. There are ways to get there.
Only like 8,000 people dead, you know. Imagine 8,000 people dead at Jamaica. No country no left. It's like a small place, yeah. When we say illegal.
Make it a better place
Everybody have to sing.
for you and for me and me.
We have to sing out right now.
There are
No, Vida man, more you circulate the line, because some people don't respect what we are saying now. All I was sorry for what go on in Japan, 5 fingers in the ear. Every man and woman put up 5 fingers in the ear. This could have happened to Jamaica. But God bless us so much. But we still have to big up the Japanese. Salute! Salute!
NRN representing for Notorious International.
Every man, anyone has the Notorious sound. There comes a time when we heed a certain call.
Big sound, big sound.
When the world
Big sound.
must come together as one.
Remember Sir Martin Luther King said
There are
first,
people dying.
I have a dream.
Oh, when it's time
Black man and black woman will live together as one.
the greatest gift of all.
The thing work away with us. We can breed all the Japanese.
Pretending day by
We
day.
can breed a white woman.
Somewhere we'll
So you feel like if you breed a Japanese, our man can go on. Pretty like a blood clot, man. We are talking about what are we at?
big family.
What are we at? What?
And the truth.
Everybody turn on the light on it. Light!
Pull up, Shabba. Hold on. Me like the choir and everything. But me hear you talk about Japanese like you want me with Japanese business. Who you, man?
Gas.
Who you, Shabba? You see the biggest money me get in the music business, Japanese people give me. Me fi tell you that something there. I love them to my heart. Are the nicest people them there. So hear me now. Respect to all Japanese. And Jesus sweetness condolence goes out. Much. And you don't know, say, big things happen around Japan what day and we feel it around Jamaica. Here we know Japan and Jamaica family. Now watch the color.
You still not talking about that. Who you, man?
Gas.
I mean, the first selector will breed a Japanese girl. I get a black on his pitney. Where you talk to me no more than you?
I'm married to baby mother.
Marie, I'm a baby mother, I'm a wife, I'm a first lady.
Yo, you have a nice lady. That me can't tell you. Marie, big up.
Well, I don't know if she's nice. I have a beautiful lady. I have a first lady. Knock it. And one thing can save the world. Let me tell you how which man can save her. One man can save the world, you know.
Big sound,
Let me
big
tell you
sound.
who can save the world right now. One man.
Notorious.
One man can save the world. One man can save the world, only famous. Let me tell you who can save the world. Hold on! have a 200 here. All our love God, we have a 200 here. Put up your hand here. Seaview get back. First time I see this.
Big sound.
To deceive me, but I was in.
But now pull up your.
You tried to tell me that my troubles
watch it. Watch it.
Go away. So confused with no one to help me. Oh, sure.
Everybody who have a Bible in your house, wave your hand on the ear. The girl know you God bless. If you know God love you, wave 200 in the ear. Everybody feel sing out. If you believe in a God, sing out.
And I found the answer.
What on? Japanese. The Japanese them are living. Big up on themselves. Because hear what them say them can't find them. 30,000 people. Them say 30,000 people missing over Japan. So you see the Japanese them have a relative when they find them people yet. When they go and hope and pray. Yeah, because whether there's life there is hope. Go and hope and pray and listen to that song. Condolences goes out. And we have said this from our heart because we're not talking. We're real to this. Ready?
Notorious. Notorious.
Big sound. Big sound.
To be lost in the middle of an ocean or have no place to lay your head.
Wicked.
To be caught in a web of indifference, be cast aside like you just as dead. To be forgotten like the wind of yesterday.
Mr. Likkle Shabba,
everybody who knows that from your half life, you're alright. We have your hand here.
Pain that you're feeling is just as.
Everybody who believe in life, everybody, we have your hand sing the part here. We have your hand sing out. See if you can now.
But it's not over now. This is not. You've been tossed and beaten.
Right.
You've fallen.
When the earthquake shake Japan, me asleep. Mr. Marie wake me up about to 4 in the morning. And I be a ball, Mr. Share ball in. I say walk one. I walk on some of this. When Jack tell me walk one, I go up on some Marie. Guess what?
Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be?
What a break! What a break! Yes!
Say goodbye. Someone tell me why.
What on?
Did you have to go and leave my world so cold?
Right.
Every day I say it as myself. How did I slip away? Something whispers in.
Everybody feel sing out. Why?
Notorious.
Any girl who can't relate to that song, you know, Mama tell you, any girl who can't relate to that song, you're not sure your man. Because if you're sure your man supposed to carry a certain place with them type of song you play. Because you know you have certain event where just them type of song you them play. Them no matter with the gully and the guards or something. Them just play some nice song. So any girl with them man no carry them certain party where you can't listen to them type of song, you don't know which part you're standing in your man life. Because only pound don't know that song. I watch it. I want a young girl to play it.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next song I would like to do.
That's we just want to play different favorite selector. I would have to play the top 10 song, you know.
Mr. Likkle Shabba, the bad don't
don't know one thing I said. All girls!
If you could see me now, the one who said that she would rather roam.
Voila!
The one who said she'd rather be.
And the girl, I know you have no chocolate teeth in your mouth. We have been not here.
You could only.
Every girl be a sing about you. Whoa!
If I could hold you now.
Voila!
Just for a while, if I could really make you mad.
I didn't feel us, you know, we have the matic long time. We have the boy.
Just for a moment, turn back the hands of time.
Likkle Shabba, when you feel
like go easy, you know.
I could only hold you now.
But if I can play no longer, all girls.
I can't help smiling when I look at you. To keep from going crazy.
You have some girl when the man see them, the man no want smile, and not even want laugh. Man serious like him does a come back.
So defenseless.
Dark in a plane.
When the girl let me know, so when the man see him, glad to see you, we have you under here. All of the girl let me know your man sure. We break you.
Write your name.
Bad Gyal for life.
We don't want to play like a Chocolate Friday anniversary. You want to play like
Notorious. Big sound.
Baby! Oh Jesus. Well on! White. All the girls but they have the guilty conscience right now.
Likkle Shabba, what am I deal with?
Every girl will know so them never dash your belly from your barn. We have a 200 here right now. All proud baby mothers, the girl never know if a treat and you breed. A tree pitney you bring, we have the under here. The girl never dash the belly. We have the under here. Wow!
Shadows falling, baby.
What up?
Out on the street, anybody you meet got a heartache.
Knock it.
Make it a crime to be lonely or sad. You got a reason for living, you battle on. With the love you're living on, you gotta be mine.
Sometimes dance we don't know you know new song, but dance we nice. You know what I mean? Everybody went out to get the conscience, girls!
And we got nothing to be guilty of.
All the girls know say you know your man first and second and last name.
Just a little bit.
You have some girl that own up the man and the dog, don't like them at the yard. Big girl, you have to carry no sardine when you have got them at the yard.
I remember times, my love, when we really had.
Oh Jesus! You have some girl that knows big lines. Some girl them look alright, but them know spoil them. Cock a fat!
Ooh, I can't believe you're leaving.
When the girl them know your face straight and your nose straight and your eyeball cute.
I can't let you go.
Pick up the girl them with them cute contact lens.
Ooh, every time I look at.
Oh Jesus, you have some girl look cute, but them mouth don't smell good.
Let it be.
All of the girl them have the bad breath. Hi!
Please.
Hold on.
Bit longer.
Why? All of the girls them know you can't walk out with your man. Walk like you never go. Some girls the man don't walk with them till like God. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah. It was like
Your poor little heart. When the boys used to say,
Dark in a plane.
well on.
oh, but now they give all they learned in school to be somewhere
In the dark.
with you.
All of the girls that can't read, we have you under here. Your son girl don't slack back. If you can't read, we have you.
You know the teacher would ask a
Until you
question,
can read.
and you
back and forth, some girl raise a man and them arm green like a shirt.
But somehow you never got.
Yeah, some girl talk about the reason why them arm green, cause them go limelight every night.
That I burned.
I love it, girl, but you smell good, the one on you. But we said lonely girl. When the man see your answer. Well, the big girl can't bubble with that trouble. The big girl can't bubble with that trouble. Whoa!
Somewhere in my life, I must have earned a favor on the way.
Big sound.
Today I'm asking for my lady. I'm asking for my baby. Please.
You have some girl, them and them man can't reason. Some girl too illiterate. Big up all that girl never know say you want the man can't reason. Big up the girl never know say sometimes when the man talk to you, you have some girl love to cow down man and the man say some girl them talk. Jesus Christ, some boy you never had a bleach. Hey, the song you reaching out to the girl never know say more than when you and your man a reason. Sometimes you don't even know where I'm going to tell you about the man that's come up with a nice something and I tell you this. Yeah, what the boy tell you? Yeah, what the boy tell you?
Tonight it's very clear. As we live off the line here. There's so many things I wanna say.
Hey, yo! I don't want to
love you.
Yeah.
I would never leave.
All the girls know say man can you go have a charity. Lot of them have some girls who know about a tree that they don't know the clock. Whoa.
Sometimes I just forget. Say things I might regret. It breaks my heart to see you crying.
Well on.
I don't wanna lose.
What the girl man are running the crutches with no girl there?
Never make.
All the girl know you're no lesbian, a straight cocky you say. Every girl you sing the part. Hey, yo!
I am a man who will fight.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see,
what
the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong,
we saw the baddest female selector play.
for every dream you made come true.
Hey, for all that. Right.
Hey, Murray.
All the girls you remember the man who take a virginity, we have you now walk out right now. You remember the man who take your maid, we have you now walk out. And about you take your maid, make 2 steps forward, girl. Make 2 steps forward.
They don't know what we have is so special.
Likkle Shabba,
As I see you, I love you more. It feels so good, and I don't want to let it go. Just one kiss, and I'm in ecstasy. Hold me close and make sweet love.
All the girls on the board never shoving penis in your mouth, we have you not here. The girl never remember the man who take a virginity, we have you not here.
It's my first love. Out of all I first saw you.
Representing for Notorious International.
Japanese. I'm modest Japanese.
Hey, Murray. Bad Gyal for life.
And after all
Modest
this,
female Japanese.
you're still
Bad Gyal Marie. Better than them.
Looks
Bad Gyal Marie.
Look how far we've come, my baby. We're mighty
Hey, Murray. Bad Gyal for life.
we'd get there someday. They said
Far for now I done already, you know.
they'll never
I'm gonna play a new song yet.
but just look
But here where the people that get chicken out of my soul, yeah?
now.
Let me stop when we're ready.
We're still together.
I joke.
Still going strong.
I joke, but I joke. You wanna know? The song I want me to play original to all of the girls. Alright? Alright. All girls.
Big sound. Big sound.
Notorious. Hey, man, and the boy knows the Notorious sound. It's like them songs. I bond that. Notorious.
I gotta take a little time.
Oh Jesus! You have some girl who know love me, you know. Some girl love spell different.
In case I need it when I'm colder.
Pick up the girl who your man show your passion love.
In my life.
Pick up the girl who some more time man carry up on the beach, Elja. More time man carry Ochi. You have some girl who play some man carry them out of yellow St. Thomas. When the girl who see where your man goes, more time I regular nice places. All of the girl never know you love your man and your mom love you. Every girl we have the man and sing it. What on?
Wicked.
I know you can show me.
Aye, selector.
NRN representing for Notorious International.
No, I never know that song.
Hey, Marie.
Bad Gyal Marie. Stop. Don't laugh at the FC boy like you come around pretty. You know why you are the shooter. Yellow.
One people there. Move.
Watch it, you.
What on? All of the girls know the boy can't lock you up in a house and them a go party. If you a go to girl, no catch no TV color.
We was one babe. Over a moment in time.
What on?
And it seemed everlasting that you would.
What the girl will say any boy walk in your bun?
Now you wanna be free.
You give the baker and the machine will make it. What the girl will do not stress yourself over on a boy. We have you on here. So now run and walk up. What the girl will say a new man and spend money by you. I am mad your first man. Oh Jesus. Your son girl, the man left. And the man said, baby, I don't want to see you again. You know. The girl look up herself in the house and I take coke. Start drink beer white rum. To take time smell like the rum bar. In the house and ball and one bung down the place. Big tell him no you're not ball off on a boy. Wave your hand and tell him.
I ain't gonna cry, no. And I won't beg you to stay.
What on?
I'm determined to leave.
What the girl on a boy can't stress you out there. Wave your hand here.
But inevitably,
if a boy want go on, make him go on. You are your business, alright. Wave your hand here. Baby, don't make the boy feel like them more than you. Big up all of the man them in the place, but here one now. One heap of man I got vex when me talk, but I care less. Cause me come from woman, so me have to defend the woman them, right? Ladies, don't lock up in a house while a boy you got party. If a boy you got party, put on your clothes and go too. Anything what the boy you do, you can do it too. Some girl don't know so them pussy are them riches. You know say on the band with $1 million, I don't know. Big up big girl don't know say. Through the pum you get a look at dive on bed. You get a look at standing fan. You get a look at TV, you start sort out in your place. In your house you look good. Big up the girl must start from one room, because you have some girl have one room. And every night they must change a different man and live in there with the pitney. And then you tell the pitney say you step. Every night the pitney get a step till him live upstage. What you do to the pitney? Big up the girl the man who say you take one man at a time. One man at a time. You take time you know the man. You have some girl to breathe for the man and don't know where we live. When them got trouble, and the doctor said, where you be my father name? She said, blacks will live round on North Street. All of the girl them know your man name from first to second to back to front to side. That's song, yeah.
Listen to the sound of the rain falling down my window.
Likkle Shabba, what am I dealing with?
Oh, Jesus.
To bring my baby back again.
Nothing code just arrived. Oh, Jesus.
Trying to be strong, but I'm not getting
Clean pinky in the building.
No.
Big up all of a German girl in the place. All the girls from Germany.
Gas. I lie awake, 'cause I can't take another night.
Baby, if you're not afraid, more time you be pack up and go on.
Too long.
Pack up and go on. Oh, yeah. What up?
Them in my arms and I just won't sleep at night. To be sleeping here beside me, here beside me.
Hold on. Now look up them have to play some nice song for the girls. Well, if a boy you make up them face when them song you play, you know why? Them a batty boy. Any man what don't like when them song you play, them don't have no girl. I care less. All of the man them will love pussy, but some blank them here. Now it sound like one batty man the summer around here. All of the man them will love pussy, but some blank. Well, I got him. Bad Gyal Marie, you're ready for turn it up. On the big dirty voice, something. We don't want to rise the banner. And if you must have want to rise the banner, don't you?
You never see it coming.
Likkle Shabba, what am I dealing with?
The next thing you know.
What up?
Unconditional love.
What up? Well on the trip.
Making a new beginning.
Well on.
And it's been 6 months since he got sober. Taking a new position.
Any man who not sing the part, there's something wrong with him.
Decision.
Gas.
Gotta stop. And forget what you went for. Just as soon as it's
baby.
You never see it coming. Then the next thing you know.
Wanna see her face.
We saw the baddest female selector play.
Hey Marie, Bad Gyal for life.
Likkle Shabba. Video man, near range. Likkle Shabba. You know what I'm saying? No. Pull up. You know what I'm saying? I saw you up my life, and that song I'm going to start with. But here why I stop you. You see it? But there I watch you Marie from night. And the couple look nice. Sorry, no not gonna say nice. Beautiful couple. Yeah. You see it? Seriously, and that song I that play now, when we start, you know. Cause all my day in the dance, you know, I would up on my mind when you play the bag of souls them. My baby mother. You know when my baby mother there? Jail. You know which jail she there? No. Ever photo custody that good. Trinidad. You don't know say everybody for us. She try hustle and bring weed. And them grab her. So I don't see her till about October. Now here. So you know say from night when they had a song I want to start with. But when you go and press play look it's when you press play look a while. She just run on me and I'm gonna say Shabba. I'm gonna injure that song. You know? So the man ever know you miss your woman sometime. Put your hand here. Play it now. Play it now.
Wanna see her face.
Play it now. Alright. Likkle Shabba, do your thing here, man.
Baby, wanna see her face. Wanna feel.
You have some more now, Miss No Girl, cause them now have no girl.
With you in my arms, because I'm missing you so much. Wanna see her face. Wanna feel her touch.
Let's get you out of the place, guys. I need her.
In my arms, because I'm missing
you
you
so
so
much.
Missing you so much. Hey. I know I'm only red for a while, but I can't get you off my mind. So I know I miss you.
You sure, Marie?
Just wanna kiss you, lady.
Yeah, Marie, you sure?
Loneliness creep up.
Cause when that juggling, that dropping up.
Suddenly,
You sure you are gonna say?
I miss you, baby. Just wanna hug you, lady. Baby, this woman, my woman, positive and conscious woman. The way she make me feel like couldn't need another woman.
Alright, that's
Miss
something
one with every single thing she do, man. She's my one and only lady. I wanna see her face.
Wanna feel people, you know me just have a bug soft couple, right?
Notorious.
But you know. You know me have a send up them thing I wrote. Next week Thursday. That show Thursday water. 1001 Lord. Mad, you know my friend them thing, right? Right. People, right now you see that look at juggling now when I go play. I got just box off a couple more than fired in. Later on a porridge party. Keisha Land, see? But you want to know, you see the porridge party? If some man we can't breed no girl, them have all type of porridge for the drink. So they can't breed a girl. Them have peanut porridge, American. Them have keckleback porridge. Them have callaloo porridge. Them have the thing on him Afro breed a girl porridge. So you know where you go, right? Right now me have a juggling one name, the Int'l juggling. Anywhere that juggling I drop my G's, that's my sorry for you dance. Gas. With you personally, you see Int'l juggling, it mean anything goes, but fire don't stop. And no chatting from nobody at all than the MC. Bad Gyal Marie, you ready to start the Int'l juggling? Yes, some of them.
Just make yourself prepare, I'm traveling over borders and frontier. I and I night just here. Notorious.
That's juggling and name the Int'l juggling.
What's enough?
Seaview and first one they're gonna play down the way.
There is no time to guys. Some come to story to patch I corrupt for being and create.
All the while me play down there, but never play the Int'l. To the just I get familiar with it. All of the girls have on them own clothes. We have you now walk. We have you now walk. See the mother's gully and Gaza song, you see it there?
Love the ghetto youth for them achievement.
Yeah.
Don't fight it, we're happy for them.
No.
Like the teacher.
But you Int'l juggling start.
Anyway.
All our proud of Seaview, we have you not here. No matter where you come from, Kingston 13. We got you. General Kunada. Yeah, my girl,
me brother and me mother. You never have nothing, just love you one another.
Mr. Yesterday, Int'l stuff.
6 are in a one bedroom with one.
Everybody sing.
Those are the of my life. What? If it ain't rough, it ain't right. We used to breeze life from the light post.
Corleone Productions.
Notorious.
Seaview, I yesterday Int'l start. All of them are now wearing a Batman brand. Put up your gun under here. Rise your gun. Right. Swag.
Inna me coat tonight, no. Me inna me close fitting class.
Simple swag.
Check out me Valentine.
Yes, sister, me not job them nice, some of them right.
The heart spend the glass.
Me not job them yet.
Dutch marks. Me bigger them a people in your pass.
Right, me say me thing alright. Me not job my song yet. Bad Gyal Marie, I Int'l me say.
So what them implying? The teacher have to sing line. DJ not in a mind. Cock up your nose for the sting crime at the king time. Me wicked like St. James.
What up?
Catching crime roll out with the shooters. The king time. My boxers Calvin Klein.
No boy want get me out to reach the big time. Me sleep.
All of them man no girl can't sit on your face. Gun on the ear.
Put me up. Still in the resist. Vocabulary physics. When the Michelangelo update the graphic images. For your ears, because the tune and shot like syphilis. For the title, hey give me this. Empire is the wickedest. I'm the baller and the manager. Alex Ferguson and Baby this. Me stay in front like Genesis. Yes, who want to penny this? Yes, me find the metaphors for Jesus. Fresh. Up to the time, so it's not
wicked.
Vibes cartel.
All of the man know you fuck more than 3 girls from the ear start. Go on the ear. All of the man know you pussy. Go on the ear. Go on.
Most girls love me so. Them kiss, them hug me so. Some say, oh you ugly so. But I know nothing if so. Them still want send and pussy. Chew me hot like Mexico.
All of the man know say when you wake up, you know wake up with no man. So you're not looking on a boy face.
Me no love man, so take your yaya for me.
Pull up a blood clot. Watch the family, big up. Eat them juggling. And if you don't never know, eat them juggling here and pull up. Everything go. What on? Everybody want to know about him on the living royalist. What on? All of them want to say anywhere you go, you must get a girl.
From the girl, them look for me, them tell me, them love me. Girl, come, kiss, come up me. Always some boy hate me. Them girl want hate me. The girl, them love up face. The girl, them love up me. Bleach out face.
Dog, you no play now. Dog, you no play now. Dog, you no play now. Dog, you no play now.
Hold on. You hear what the song say? Bad Gyal Marie, no mix it. You hear what the song say? The girl them love up me bleach out face. The girl them love up me bleach out face. You know why I can't sing that part? Because I not bleach. No disrespect to nobody with bleach. But anybody who want bleach a fool in life, because the Bible says, every man have him right to live him one destiny and decide it. So therefore, I'm in a business where a man want to do. But if you fuck Batty, I will know we're going to murder you. But, any boy will say, my bad man, if you bleach your face or you have a Batty man in the place, you're going to dead. All of the man never say man feel look like man. Man not feel look like them sister going on in the ear. So some boy look like them blood clot sister, you go dead.
Bad man no dress like girl. We no bold nose and we no big face and we no wear black girl.
Bad man no dress like girl.
We no bold nose and we no big face and we no wear black girl. Well some freaky boy fit up dress like girl.
Push and bash it.
Now we go speak around the face Versace. We no bold nose and we no do Jerry. Natural as the born.
Let me tell you about some boy now.
Yeah, some boy them just round out them face go bleach out. Them on a ram road look like a girl. When he ma go out them mistake him again the girl in the crowd.
Hold on. You hear what that say? The mistake him take him for girl in a crowd. The boy them with them face bleach out and look like a girl. Rude boy. All of them man never know no boy can't mistake if you no girl. Put up your blood clot gun under the ear. The boy them will impersonate the girl, them will look like a girl. You have a blood clot dead. You know why?
20 verse 30.
You know why? You know why? Mama clot. You get to a boy.
So me born body man and Saddam. I could still a see and you could a girl. Me have to sweep on me blood clot life. Jamaica me.
I said them time up. Loud. The man them on a bottom man of them goose are loud. The girl them on a cocky stuck in them throats are loud. When me a fuck my girls to scream out loud. Me have to turn up the radio loud. Listen me right now, my next door neighbor. I have a problem with my Shabba, them say me too loud. Yo, Seaview, the volume up right now, it buck. Dr. Baby name, no shame in my game. I say loud. No man not a part enough to stand up and a whisper. No whispering. Left that to my sister Kim. Load. You have something to say, just say it out. Load. Load. Likkle 6, big up yourself. We said the 14th of May party down. Everything alright. Load, load, load. Agri Park Road. Load. Seaview. We're there. Load. Shabba. Load.
Load. Cause you know me a bounce couple more, but you know me big brother Crakaz there and Notorious, you know. So you know the thing where fire Dean there too, you know. Right? But Dean, when the eating I don't play, I don't know if you go and play still, you know. Cause the eating juggling and the normal blood clot. What on? But that's a play trade and Crakaz. Then fire Dean.
Hold on, them a get too bright. So me born body man a Saddam. I could dance till I see I am the guy. Me a eat that juggling for them Saddam. Now go fuck no man. I know them thing they got. Cause if a man go lay down with another man, how the fuck the baby pan? Send me every kind of girl. Cause if a girl go lay down with another girl.
Voila, no look a bouncy boy, hey.
Voila, no.
Who know what you're too bright?
No two man for your play sword fight. None of them can.
Who the girl want fuck girl?
Don't like that.
Who know go there with a post it on the bus side?
Me no like who no style.
You ever seen most of cocky motor?
Scalding people burn out pedophile.
What?
Brass man for your fuck a little child. Jamaica me nah go fuck no.
All of the man them a fuck more than 5 girl for y'all live. We have 200 here. The man them a fuck 1 heap of girl 200 over here.
No girl me fuck, but me not tell you no lie. You me say, never see a catty when me love so. Me love you my baby, this is where me love you back. You know the street, but you know the bed. Anyway me say people, she cock it up. And when me ready, me get me cocky so. She love me so much, but listen this.
Everybody sing on the part.
When me love so much. She know if you wine. It's a skin out, you see me a coming.
You hear what the part of the songs a while ago? Anyway, me say pick up, she go, you know. But some man interpret the song wrong. Some man make the girl them tell them anywhere if you go, him go, you know. So him go under the crutches, you know. All of the man them never suck pussy from your barn, lion pan of the year. The man them never got shop go buy a stay free, lion pan of the blood clot here.
Oh, me fit on John Clown, they not do that. Captain can't jump me, me not do that. Because me feel
me tell you so when the blood clot eat and drop. Hey, are the baddest juggling this? I eat and juggling in here. No fuck with it.
Say them a gangster, them gyal run the way. Them fit on the street when we got them here. From a born a gyal never.
But tell us so when the juggling the blood clot drop a judgment.
You know you say gyal a see them on the way, gyal a beat.
All of them man know you never throw a girl people out of chimney. Go on here.
No gyal can't run the way. Say no gyal, gyal say. Representing.
Eat to the one. What we do? What more than that?
With all these girls. Y'all send text, say them want flex, including sex, the rough rider.
When you see Likkle Shabba walking on the screen, let me tell you this.
So all them attack, man a step up.
My big brother, come out and rain. Cause you know we're a bounce couple, right? People, I tell you about that juggling, I name the Eaton juggling. When this play, and it's not done yet. Got a couple more minutes left out tight. So my big brother Crakaz, I'm Notorious, you say.
Well, think of all that people over there, right? You know Notorious son, you don't know if I say Notorious, you say my little brother Shabba. You know me there. Bad Gyal Marie there. I remember tell you something, I second week now I'm there and watch every selector play. And I'm a sound there and I don't bomb rush it. I don't stop a man from play. But just hold me hand around us and me alright. So me I do my thing now, me don't need no whisper and I get a lone whisper. Bad people please, move up. Ready?
Smith said, what's the time? You know
Yeah, some boy you once a while, girl. What the man do you every day, girl? Say. What the girl say from Seaview there? Girl, a lot family in that party. Hey, you know we drove up me. Hey, what on? What give me the bill, everything alright? Hey, what we gonna eat it? And a Notorious up here. Oh, we are ready, DJ. What the bad them do? Your girl is a turn on some lighter. Oh, we are roll. Go for life. Hey, create a gas pile up in the sky. You wanna watch me like a spy? From your phone, now you have your passport and your visa. And you say you're shut up when you touch New York or your par.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a 90s. Never mind him.
What the bad man can see you there? Go down the lighter.
Tell him where the weed is. New lots guns. Hey! Son of AK sing like
I think I'm a Japanese MC now.
From 50s and 40s. Right, you go to the parties. Next time.
Boy! But if you're not clear, this is how we turn up the scheme. Who the one we turn up the scheme?
Let me look and tell him.
One big shot, but boy, all it father, I never different. One big shot, we keep men burst. Voila! To be a farmer, that's still a tax work. You tell me before your life, it don't hurt. Hey, level. Video man, near it. Video TV, near it. Let me the box here.
Crakaz, where's the guns out?
Me a boy, me no run into new company. Me stick to the evil me know. Cause some boy you run into new company and make man fuck them for things. Some boy you run down money pull up and get them body pull up. All of the man them and the body man friend put up your toe on the ear. The man them and the boy can't see a call to you. You know why?
Rush, the whole of my real friends know how the thing go. Parrot to work, no pull the gate, come knock back. And stop private, no songs, no thing, come in a link up with back.
I'm in here, Crakaz, tell them.
We don't want a straight face from me. We don't want a straight face from me. When I touch the streets, a couple girls and the dogs, them go.
No for them boy, you do what the girl them a do. The girl them boy, them tongue too. The girl them boy, them nose, them a boy, them nose too. The girl them wear battery right down, now wear battery right down, now go dead.
Types of the car, take up the map to the
I'm the word. I want you. Can't stop it. Shoot them.
Bye bye in a party boy. Now we not promote a party man, them happy day.
All that man never straight the end of here. Straight the end of here.
I said.
Two man.
Big sound.
Voila.
Infinity and it take insane.
Make you shoot them.
Get down there. Complete that shot them in on them.
What the man never know saying on the Batman company. You're not the Batman brother. Make you shot them.
Me not climb and call, but if you wear Jack Paul, that is not the absolute food. If you wear Gucci, boy, can't make me sweat for drink my weight. Boy, can't make me sweat for wear no guess.
You know where I'm gonna trust some boyfriend with you. Them ear tall and them not no girl live with every day. You see them ear plaque. A man a plaque them blood clot you not go there.
Everyone go straight and I think straight. Cause some boy sick.
I would never rap with.
Some boy love but not man for wear from a got it. Baby X that's one for shade. Give me the gas and
Dr. Bird I would never rap with.
That's one for me. I want ya rap with Likkle Shabba like how them play with them catty.
Me no boy thing. Me no come here for the boy thing. A bad people place with there. Seaview there. I want there chocolate Friday. I want to say chocolate. Some boy enough of them have the girl them. Load the chocolate to the girl them. You get the drift? Cause some boy from where they say them are girls and no girl now link them. Ladies don't trust some of them boy you will see with Nicky from where they upon them neck. Some of them is not them girlfriend give them and them boyfriend give them. I want kill you now. Ready again. Ready?
Everyone Notorious International. What am I doing? Likkle Shabba. Crakaz.
Rickety kid there.
Bad Gyal Marie. Hear me now.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Notorious.
Likkle Shabba.
All the straight people that they go down here.
Got some boy sick.
What the girl that can't fuck you, they go down.
But not man for wear from a got it. Baby X that's one for shade. Give me no man because not man will break. Relax about them plus one for them. Now boy can't rap with Likkle Shabba like how them play with them catty. Now boy prefer can put them on.
Remember grab a girl something there, no girl and a family there.
We not carry secret for them. Now boy can't rap with Crakaz like how them play with them catty. Now boy prefer can put them on.
All the man never know your girl is trying your bad. Go down here. Put up the girl, the sound them in the ear.
We say gal, and we say gal, and we say gal, and we say gal. Subconscious,
what do them? When the girl them attack away.
Right now me name Stinker Road, but me name not call pam pussy sucking, and me name not call pam body fucking.
The girl them attack away.
Reputation Stinker Road.
Yeah, so hey, video man. The area over here, so video man. Cause you have some boy you talk about the girl them talk about them. The girl them talk about uno yes, so no suck the pussy hard. All of them man them never sit up, no girl never sit up in your face. Put up your hand here. The man them know no girl have no secret to your face. Don't you proud ya?
Them bow, them bow, them bow, them bow.
You said that them bow.
Clean right from me said that bow. Leave the count and me know a girl bow. Leave the teeth in a pattern that means.
Yes, big up yourself, you know.
That means them bow, them bow, them bow. Ragga them a dap in a bow cat head top. Land the bow cat them fit dress back.
Why we a girl pants me no like you know? Why we a fuck back to no fit dead?
Somebody knows what's a bad girl Marie knows a bad man who's a boy around with that.
I would never rap with swag.
Them tying up some men not to us some be friends with.
And I be a some boy I know. And I have this like the first dub in my life. Music.
Them got this man from Waltham and Maxwell.
What the straight people have the straight to the hand them. Straight to the hand them in the ear.
Not to us now. Oh, afraid.
Shut up, Batty boy. Level. All the ganja smoke and them ganja lighter in the ear. Me no want to see the coke lighter. What the ganja lighter them they turn you. Turn your brother back there.
Notorious Shabba play this in a yo. Weed is alive. Just face reality. I smoke weed to the end of the world.
Level. What the mother people them the gun on? What the cartel people them the gun on? Say the baddest rasta yo.
Likkle Shabba, make we tell about the best and worst. We Crakaz being on the corner. So we rap it in a 20.
Whoa! Them a go on me new to the thing.
We a go on the foot to the singer. We betching Notorious, we a pro to the singer. Roll it so
and give me up in perfect.
Perfect. It's not just a flood. So can't catch your bread from me, can't catch your bread from me. Just play
just a flood.
Perfect.
What the matter we a shot Batman there? You're not keep the Batman company in your crew.
Notorious, not a bad man, so we no friend fish. Tell them a Teflon bullet with a killing fish. Them say the man claim
I'm back to the general, do not swing up yourself.
Shabba tell them shut up, but them head says and a fish like them Popeye is a den. And I say him a bad man, still in my friend is Notorious. Don't them and them a come, some uncontainable.
What the people ever doing now, no time for bad man, nobody for them things there. When they hear something about bad man, you tell them. Tell them. Figure with them evil head. What me name again?
Crakaz tell them to go with them evil head.
I want to show them again.
Don't keep bad mind people, don't keep bad mind people.
Hear me now. Well, people, they don't know the things situate, right? A chocolate Friday. And you don't know none of the money pull up something where I work off for. You get to me and say, music. You don't know the things situate, right? When I mash up the something. We alright, see? So big up all that crew them there, big up all that skankers them, Dr. Bird, you're there. You get to me and say swag team there. Cadillac family, you don't know them, say grab a girl. Sample 6, Likkle 6, the whole works there, see? Big up skins, you don't know the man with the high grade, that's how it works. Get to me and say big up the girl them from Portmore, them there, Spanish Town girls. You don't know the Kingston 11, 12, and 13 girls. Them there, right? So anyway, you don't know Notorious in the building, now we deal with things different, don't? Make us just drop the song over, yes or no?
No more you talk, so we play 2 more songs. Then fire the in. Because you know I'm here the host for the show, we leave around the thing, right? So we play 2 more songs, right? But Dean, me tell you when that juggling that drop, you're supposed to get nervous.
Wicked. New music.
I'm not juggling and them play every week. I'm not juggling and them play every week. Go and get through that blood clot, you know. Oh, yeah.
Dog, you know,
Swag team lead out. Ivan lead out. Yeah. Lead out. Lead out. Lead out, everybody lead out. Oh, hey. Lead out, everybody lead out. Lead out, everybody lead out. Who do want me jump the first man on the rhythm? See it here now.
Swap to the left, then I swap to the right. Swap from night to swap to the night.
Hey! I would never rap with. I can't trick we. A lot of time we play music.
Swap from
Drop
night
it
to
again, no man. I want to do the blizzard type. My girl. Hello? I know what the current track here at 220. You get Marga like a thread when that touch your ear. I don't want nothing to you. Alright. Blizzard type, me alright.
Where are the boy? Swap to the left, then I swap to the right. Swap from night to swap to the light.
Hey!
Alright.
Voila!
We got level up for swag.
Make a piece of that. Make a piece of that blood clot with it.
Clean all the white, she said that why you a beat them.
When me done play tonight, me and Dean go beg, I swear, but me and my friend.
Check out my style, I'm a sharp, yeah, like.
Hi! Voila!
Alright, check out my style, I'm a pattern.
Every man for one day want turn bad man. Nobody know want buy no look bike and have fun.
Me rather see the woman them. Me no wanna gun, me no.
Every man want done wanted man.
No Mac 10.
What ever do?
Me want girl when someone gone. Me no wanna know no.
No knocking on the sink, okay? But knock it with your gun finger. Come on from the bank stage, me not no fever. Blood clot here, ready?
The girl them a call me.
Hey!
Me rather see the woman them.
Hey!
Me no wanna gun.
What the man them do? The girl them alone yourself. What the girl is them there?
Me want girl when someone gone. Someone fight when me want up. Someone go lock up in a prison where they am go be out when me want the out in a the sun. Want paper car rum. Me want see me cannabis come. No want see own some keys while me want see this.
What the girl is them there? I will say scare them. I will say angel do that. I will say return that. I will say alliance. I will say God.
The Almighty makes me stronger.
What the particular fact of the gun on?
Life are the greatest thing. Thanks to the
Oh, yeah, the people. What now do to me? Hear me now? Now, you don't lick us, you're currently on the fence, yeah? When I know the thing, ready again. No, knock it.
Records, ready? The beginning of wisdom is the fearing of Jah. Honey,
what about particular people that they put up on the gun? Don't be about particular hypocrite and liar. What the alliance and the godly people in there?
Life are the greatest thing. Jah the greatest king. No man no better than Jah. You must be better than Bruce Willis latest film. Live me, give me warning.
The people that don't know nobody no more, are you? If we play alliance, we now play a godly now.
See them and stop so things and say them for have it.
What the people that play that grudge about the for them things? Go on.
No like for the car, them no like for the bike.
Hey Murray, well, you know what they there, I'm a friend, right? No, me, I'm a shop already, me, alright. Good, cause last week a fever me going now. We got a traveler school, them there, see, coach, big up yourself. Spear the there in that place, big up yourself, I saw it work. You know we're not fussy, right?
Massacre Records, ready? The beginning of wisdom is the fearing of Jah. Honey, your mother and your father, your day shall be long.
I could turn you up again that man in there.
Thanks to the Almighty makes me stronger.
You know that worse in him, right? We don't care zero. And the particular this.
The greatest king, Jah the greatest king. No man no better than Jah, you must be better than Bruce Willis latest film. Give me warning.
How that back you?
This morning, no better than Jah. Even if you're high under your bag of ganja, who no can't capture. Me tell you say God run things. You can't tell me no other run things. No sister nor brother, no auntie nor mother. I know your dada. I know girl or no boy run things. Them swear at the judge and the liar.
Last week me already play no the artist and no play. Me never play the artist and not bench him.
The black one, black man, Calfani,
black man.
Kutan, it's a massacre production. We pile up fire upon fire upon fire. We getting get higher.
Anyway, Crakaz are notorious for. We now run for the new song them. Now we now play the top 10. Yeah? Well, alright, ready again. Drop it. I never hear the one I played last week. Play the one I know.
We let the night out. The black one.
Attack it, you going now. What they got bless them there? Knock it!
We pile up fire upon fire upon fire. We blessing get higher than higher than higher. One sounds on them
blood clot, yo! Yo! Money pull up with the man. Marie, what the money? Buy yourself a drink. You alright, you work from now. Ready?
Massacre production.
I saw with the things that the ladies ever said no.
Calfani. I will tell them straight. Kutan. It's a massacre production. We pile up fire upon fire upon fire. We blessing get higher than higher than higher. When them see me and I smile and I dash them high. One sound.
Dear, behave yourself, yeah?
Some of them say them are your friend, them are liar.
Hey! I feel with this wicked boy enter the
and I smile and I dash them high. One sound. Me know me friends for me fools. Long time me know them. No obligation, nothing me know them. When them not show no love to them parents, they grow.
Hey, hear me now, man. See the money drop. Take out the money there, so active. Take up the money there. We now bench one other one have to buy gas. You think me a pussy hole? We have vehicle too.
Crakaz there.
What do you know? Rock we work. And not there for the one the money pull up when somebody back. And me a play it and me a boss it, me a premiere it. Don't forget the young artists them. Swag it to say that morning.
We pile up fire upon fire upon fire. Higher than higher than higher. When them see me and I smile and I dash.
Wouldn't do I get you straight here?
Some of them say them are your friend, them are liar. Them hang with a wire. When them see me and I smile and I dash. Sounds and them plan. Me know me friends for me fools. Long time me know them. No obligation, nothing me know them. Oh them Peter, oh loyal friends. When them not show no love.
Dina, where you work boy? You place enough. Blood clot, you're a bad selector. What do you? Drop round 2 more songs. Root string, you there.
The wicked could have never stopped the sun from shine. Jaja make everything done on time. So tell you.
I'm gonna play every artist. I'm gonna play my artist. And the artists are responsible Notorious. Play the Rasta now.
Send some prayer can give. You want your fiance and them fans. Cause them my blood. Man that them off in that them church. Massacre send some prayer can give. We gotta beg you answer them fast. Send them my plan for kill. Man that them off in that them touch. Cha cha cha. This bigger than way. But to feel get chronic. But me I beg you do cha cha and make them arm with. This bigger than way. But to feel get chronic. So me I beg you do cha cha and make them arm with. Them up gonna make them not keep on me. Me life them make them take it for me. So when them come with them one bag among army, me prayer reach inside.
What are the GS? What about you?
I'm in a friends with for them party. Me skin them was scary. Headline news on them I story. This bigger than way. Battlefield get chronic. But me I beg you do cha-cha and make them army. This bigger than way.
Party come with smoking, party come with drinking.
The big artists them big already, you know. I run for the young one their career right here.
Party time, every day. Party time.
Party time. Start one of the club, them a party now.
Tell them everybody say a party time. Me no want see no black, me no want see no 90 in a Jamaica. We have too much crime, me want see some city girl a join the party. In the latest clothes and the latest design. One of them girls got the wine. We a drink white rum, she a drink red wine. Girl a dance straight in the spine. Hey, this a party is a one of a kind. And the way the girl them sexy, them a blow me mind. So smoke what you smoking, drink what you drink. Cheers so sweet, this gon' sing the party. Party time. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Party time. Some people come here and them not drink none of the front now. All I want drink something my phone or song, yeah? Cause you know the things you do it. I chase the sweetness of the girl there. You get to me and say I'm Notorious. I don't have no fever that week, yeah. And I don't have no cold. You get to me and say, so we now go to the bench. See? I don't know the things you do it. See? That's how it works. I want to play next. Oh, deal.